Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are happy, healthy, and doing wonderful today. Today's lesson is very simple, very practical, and very helpful for every English learner. The topic is Learn English Easily, Step-by-Step Speaking Practice. Many people want to speak English fluently, but they often think English is difficult. They think they need to learn thousands of words. They think they must study grammar for many years. But the truth is different. English becomes easy when you learn it step by step. Just like a child learns a language little by little, you can also learn English in a simple way. Today, I will help you practice English step by step. So listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to speak aloud. Let's begin.
Step 1. Greeting yourself and others. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you today? I am doing well, thank you. It is nice to see you. I hope you are having a wonderful day. I am happy to practice English today. Let's start our English lesson. Step 2. Introducing yourself. My name is John. I am from Bangladesh. I live in a beautiful city. I am an English learner. I enjoy learning new things every day. I practice English regularly. I want to improve my speaking skills. Learning English is important for my future. I am working hard to achieve my goals. I am confident that I can learn English.
Step 3. Talking about your family. I have a wonderful family. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a hard-working person. My mother is caring and supportive. I have 1 brother and 1 sister. We enjoy spending time together. My family always encourages me. We help each other in difficult situations. We respect and love one another. I feel grateful for my family. Step 4. Talking about your home. I live in a comfortable house. My house is clean and organized. There are several rooms in my house. My favorite place is my study room. I like spending time at home. My family keeps the house neat and tidy. I often read books in my room. My home is a peaceful place. I feel relaxed when I am at home. I love my home very much.
Step 5. Talking about your daily routine. I wake up early every morning. I start my day with positive thoughts. I brush my teeth and get ready for the day. I have a healthy breakfast. I go to work or school on time. I complete my daily tasks carefully. I spend some time learning English. I enjoy practicing new words and sentences. I have dinner with my family in the evening. I go to bed after finishing my work. Step 6. Talking about your studies. I enjoy learning new subjects. Education plays an important role in life. I study regularly to improve my knowledge. I pay attention during my lessons. I complete my assignments on time. I like reading books and articles. Learning English is one of my priorities. I try to learn something new every day. Practice helps me become a better learner. I believe education opens many opportunities. Step 7. Talking about your job. I work in a professional environment. I enjoy my work and responsibilities. I try to perform my duties sincerely. My job helps me gain valuable experience. I learn new skills through my work. I cooperate with my colleagues. I always try to improve my performance. Time management is important in my job. I take pride in my work. I am grateful for the opportunities I receive. Step 8. Talking about your hobbies. I have several hobbies. Reading books is one of my favorite hobbies. I enjoy listening to music. I like watching educational videos. Learning English is also my hobby. I enjoy spending time with my friends. My hobbies help me relax. They make my free time enjoyable. Hobbies improve creativity and knowledge. I always make time for my hobbies. Step 9. Talking about your goals. Everyone should have goals in life. I have clear goals for my future. I want to improve my English speaking skills. I want to become more confident. I work hard to achieve my dreams. Success requires patience and dedication. I never stop learning new things. Every day is an opportunity to improve. I believe in my abilities. I am determined to achieve my goals. Step 10. Speaking about yourself confidently. I am a positive person. I enjoy learning and growing. I believe in continuous improvement. I respect others and value kindness. I am responsible and hardworking. I enjoy facing new challenges. I learn from my mistakes. I always try my best. I am proud of my progress. I believe that a bright future is ahead of me. Final speaking practice. Hello everyone. My name is John. I am from Bangladesh. I have a wonderful family. I am learning English because I want to speak confidently. Every day I practice English speaking, listening, reading, and writing. I enjoy learning new words and useful expressions. I believe that regular practice is the key to success. I am improving day by day. I am confident that I will speak English fluently in the future.
Thank you so much, my dear friends, for watching this video until the end. I truly appreciate your time, your support, and your dedication to learning English. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It is about making progress every single day. Do not worry if you make mistakes. Every mistake is a part of the learning process. In fact, mistakes help us learn faster and become stronger speakers. Always remember that every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. They also struggled with vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence, but they continued practicing, and that is why they became successful. If you want to speak English fluently, make English a part of your daily life. Listen to English every day. Read English every day. Think in English every day. Most importantly, speak English every day. Even if you know only a few words, start speaking. Even if your sentences are not perfect, keep speaking. Confidence grows when you practice consistently. Do not compare yourself with other learners. Everyone learns at a different speed. Focus on your own journey and celebrate every small improvement. One new word learned today is progress. One new sentence spoken today is progress. 1 minute of English practice today is progress. Small steps taken every day create big results over time. Believe in yourself. Trust the learning process. Stay patient. Stay positive. Stay consistent. And never give up on your dream of speaking English fluently. I believe that if you continue practicing regularly, one day you will speak English naturally, confidently, and comfortably in any situation. Before you leave, I would like to ask you a few simple questions. Did you enjoy today's lesson? Did you learn something useful? Are you ready to practice English every day? If your answer is yes, then you are already moving in the right direction. If you found this video helpful, please support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, family members, and anyone who wants to improve their English speaking skills. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss our future English lessons. On this channel, we learn English in a simple, practical, and enjoyable way. Together, we will improve our speaking skills, build confidence, learn useful vocabulary, and move one step closer to fluency every day. Thank you once again for being here. Thank you for learning with me. Thank you for being a part of this amazing English learning community. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself. And remember this, your English will improve. Your confidence will grow. Your speaking will become better, and your hard work will definitely bring success. Take care of yourself. Stay happy, stay healthy, keep smiling. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful evening, or a wonderful night wherever you are in the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye everyone, and happy English learning.